Hey third graders, it's Miss Franklin. I'm ready to talk about math, so let's jump right into it.
All right, scholars, in class, we're learning about the associative property. The associative property says that no matter how you group numbers, the sum is always going to be the same. So for example, if I have the numbers 2 plus 3 plus 1, I would get the same answer if I had 3 plus 2 plus 1. And we know with associative properties, most time we're going to use our two friends that we call parentheses that help us solve a certain part of the problem first. So if I wanted to come over here, I would solve 2 plus 3 first. 2 plus 3 is what, class?
5.
I'm going to bring down my 1. And 5 plus 1 is what, class?
6.
I'm going to come over to the other side and I'm going to see if I can get the same answer with the same numbers. I'm going to put my parentheses around 2 and 1. Class, 2 plus 1 is what?
3.
I'm going to bring down my 3 so I can solve it. In class, 3 plus 3 is what?
6.
Now, with the problems that you all are going to be doing with your homework in class, preparing for your test, they're going to require larger numbers. So we're going to look at 3 two-digit numbers. 3 two-digit numbers. Roman, give me a number.
926.
2-digit.
29.
29. Braxton, give me another number.
38.
Chloe, give me another number.
26.
26. So my friends, you guys told me 29 plus 38 plus 26. What are our two friends called, class, that help us solve one part of the problem first? Parentheses. I'm going to choose to put my parentheses around 29 and 38. So I'm going to solve that first. I know that I'm going to have to find that answer, but so that I don't get tricked, I'm going to come over to the side. And friends, I don't want us to get tricked, so Ms. Franklin's going to cover up the rest of this problem that we did first so that you don't get tricked by that, okay? I'm going to come over here to the side and I'm going to solve this problem first. 29 plus 38. And so I don't have to regroup. I'm going to use this strategy called partial
sum.
I'm going to use partial sums. Class, help me out. What is 9 plus 8?
17.
And also, what is 20 plus 30? 50. Now, if I have zeros in a problem when I'm solving it, what can I do to those zeros? I'm going to slash the trash. What's 7 plus nothing?
7.
What's 1 plus 5?
6.
So we learned that 29 plus 38 is 67. Now I'm going to bring down my 26. So now I have to find the answer of 67 plus 26 in order to know the answer to our entire problem. So I'm going to come over to the side. I'm going to solve 67 plus 26. Help me out, class. We're going to use partial sum. What is 7 plus 6?
13.
7 plus 6 is what?
13.
And what's 60 plus 20?
80.
80. What can I do to my zeros? What's 3 plus nothing?
3.
And what's 1 plus 8?
9.
So 67 plus 26 is 93. I like to show our work on the side so that I don't get what, friends? So I don't get tricked here in the middle. I would love for you guys to keep it neat by showing your work over to the side. I'm going to pause it for a quick second and I'm going to call a friend over to help me solve a problem on camera.
So first put the parentheses around 160 and 970.
Oh, well, let's do over here. I already made that mistake. So 160 plus 271. Then what am I going to do?
And then go to the side and write 271 plus 160.
Okay. What's next?
Put a 1 under.
What do I need to do? What am I?
The place value chart.
I'm going to draw my place value chart to represent what?
Ones, tens, and hundreds.
Okay. Then what?
And then we know 1 plus 0 is 1.
Mm-hmm.
And we also know 7 plus 6 is 13.
Okay, but this is 70 plus 60, so that gives us 100 what?
130.
130. Okay.
We know 2 plus 1 is 300.
200 plus 100 is 300. Class, help Brielle out. What can we do with those zeros? Okay. What's 1 plus nothing?
1,
3 plus nothing.
3,
1 plus 3 is what?
4.
Okay. So we know 160 plus 271 is what?
431.
431. What am I going to do next?
You're gonna bring the plus down in the 970.
Okay. Now what?
Do the same exact thing that you did with the last one.
I don't remember. I don't remember.
So go to the side
Uh-huh.
and draw your numbers
Uh-huh.
and draw your other number under that. And then draw the place value chart. And we know 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 3 is
70 plus 30 is
70 plus 30 is 10.
Is 10 or is it
100.
100? Okay.
And we know 9 plus 4 is 1,300.
What can I do to those zeros?
Slash the trash.
Okay. 1 plus nothing.
1,
We don't have anything here. What's going to be our placeholder?
0.
1 plus 3.
4,
1 plus nothing.
1
Where can I put my comma?
at the end.
Nope. After your third number. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Brielle.
Good luck, scholars, and make sure you bring all of your work with you on Friday.